Look, oh.
Wala pa man.
If someone's going to try to steal your food, use your body. Push them.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's why you wouldn't fight.
Oo, kaya kus nga yan. Laki mga yan. Okay, kus nga yan.
Kaya nga.
First one to get food.
Lagay mo dyan, lagay mo. Gitna. Lagay mo si mama mo.
Tinatanggal to. Yay!
Is that the way you took for a walk?
They were late for the boiling.
Okay, kumain ka na kumain.
Bukas na lang natin eh.
Tago ka pa ng ano, mangga ah.
Same lang eh. Same lang. Ano, bukas mo ba natin? Same lang eh.
Yun ang wala.
Hey, Andre.
Ah, sige. Tiniyayaya ka, sabi ko. Mami,
Huwag ka na lang tumapat doon. Wala nga tayo ipit eh. Ang dami mong mangga, hindi ka pa kumakain.
This is dalawa lang.
Dalawa, two.
Two only.